guys, today we're doing another video, and so yeah, here it is, I guess. Like what? So like I looked at my videos and you guys had no suggestions, so that means no suggestions, no things you wanna do in Universe Sandbox. I don't know, maybe you look like another YouTuber, like Spaceship or something, or Junior guy or whatever. You can search him up like now or something. They're pretty popular. So anyways, I only have like 17 subscribers, and if I have more, I have 17 subscribers like today, okay, like today. So if I had like, I don't know, 3 mil or something, this would be like 7 or 6 years ago, because that's gonna take a long time. You never know. Again, Mercury's orbits up or whatever. Well, here's our solar system, though. And one of these videos, I told you, like, you only do want to go to Earth, right? Well, I think I got that right. Honestly, this game is in Steam, costs 20 euros. I'm sorry, in the first video that I made, like explaining the solar system, I'm sorry. It didn't went wrong because it did went wrong because I could have told you more. So, if you're watching this video right now, I needed to tell you more. I'm sorry. So, here's the Earth. So Earth is the biggest rocky planet in our solar system. Honest? And okay. I remember the last video launched a guy head at Earth at the speed of light. We're not gonna do that. Guy heads are for later. Today we're gonna do Spaceship did this like 6 months ago. We're gonna do a planet, and then a moon, and then that moon has a moon, and then that moon, and then that moon has a moon, then that moon has a moon, and all of that stuff. So right now I'm focusing on Universe Sandbox right now. Okay, so we're gonna go to a new simulation, like always. Well, not really always, but like most of the time. And let's go to tools. Why not go to add? And we're gonna go still. We need it to be like, I don't know, a random gas giant or something. Because gas giants are nice. I'm not gonna change the balance. I just want to make a moon and a moon and a moon. So I might not focusing on you, okay? I'm gonna tell you when I focus on it. So clearly that's the gas giant. Blue, brown, and yellow and brown. And I think there's something in the bottom. Blue. This gas giant is a ugly pattern, but at least it's a pattern. Whatever. We're just gonna do the moon and the moon. And the last moon is gonna be a guy head. Guy heads are involved sometimes a little bit. And by the way, wait, can you orbit a random gas giant on this? Guys, this gas giant can orbit. I'm not kidding. This is not binary. You can work it right there. That's not binary. Right there. There. That is not binary at all. A gas giant can orbit a gas giant. We bet that. This gas giant is 2 times the mass of Jupiter. So the small gas giant should be like, I'll say a few Earths, 13 Earths. Woof! Should we just orbit, I don't know, maybe Mars for this one? Or something? We're gonna try to orbit Earth on it. Or maybe just a random rock. Still a random rock. Okay, about there is fine. I hope it doesn't get pulled. But before we do the moon and the moon and the moon, we gotta see this stable. Like if a moon could orbit a moon. And this says moon orbiting that gas giant. And this one is a satellite because other types of water satellites. You call a super small moon a satellite, but since this is a moon from a moon that orbits the planet, well, it's mostly a root object because it doesn't have a star. So I don't know it gets white. It's weird. Don't know. And now we got to this water world. I don't know why a lot of random rocky bands are water world, honestly. Let's see these stats of life real quick. Okay, 26 Cs. That's good. No way, this has... You gotta be kidding me? What are the moon and the moon and the moonlight here? Not wife? Should I honestly save this? Because there's a pretty good chance for wife. And what's its rotational period? Half a day. I'm just gonna skirt that to 1 day. And just check the life likelihood and keep going. So 48, 2 more %. So this moon is actually pretty hard. Oh, seriously, satellite. So now we're gonna orbit another moon on this thing. This is when things start to get hard. This random rock is water. We don't want to orbit a random rock. We want to orbit a random small moon. How far can you orbit this? Pretty far. We're gonna put it because if we put it too close, it won't get affected. So we're gonna go lastly a Godhead, orbiting the small moon. This is a small moon of this moon, and then this moon orbits this moon, which orbits this planet. And okay, and now this moon right here, we're gonna orbit it at Godhead because the smaller it gets, the better keeping orbit. So, and we don't orbit that small. Godheads are pretty small, honestly, the same size as Sphere. So, Godheads might be in some episodes, and the last video is probably gonna be one of the most Godhead videos, honestly. So, here, I'm right now working at Universe Sandbox. So, it's next to Habitable Jupiter, I remember, yep. Like always. We're gonna orbit this. Let's go for 2010 kilometers. Okay? So, here we go. Godhead orbiting this. When this orbiting this. When this. When that orbiting that. And then that. And then that over there, I think. Orbiting the one. So, let's see what happens. I hope it ends up well. Smaller than the simulation a little bit. Okay. Godhead starts orbiting. Feel stable. Feel stable. Oh my god, guys. Please don't look at this. This is a huge... I'm sorry you looked at that. But please. I'm telling you, I'm sorry I did that. That was probably by accident. Oh yeah, that top thing. I see the top thing in the corner of the guy with next to a rectangle and stuff. Oh no, the guy had. Oh no, the guy has going away. The guy had satellite orbiting on Sylvia. Okay, let's see if orbits. I use orbits. This is trails. It comes with trails. Orbits. Oh my god, the guy head's bad. What? The guy head? Oh no, everything is flying to new spot. Even this is getting affected. Guys, this is bad. Guys, this is really bad. Oh no. This is bad. This is bad, dude. This is bad. Okay, spaceship that is so much better than this. Oh no. We didn't expect a collision Are you serious right now? What the? Oh my god! I can't believe, this moon is pretty strong. It's not letting any of the fragments come to it. Okay, a little bit. But still, that moon's pretty strong. So, you could do a moon orbiting the moon, but you only like a moon orbiting the moon, like once. So yeah, you mean what I mean, like you just orbit this, and that's all. And that's the trial ends. So now we're gonna explore some size comparison. So we're gonna place every star. This might take a while. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna cut this video, okay? We're gonna cut this video. And when I place every star, okay? So sun. Mirage. So we're gonna see the size comparison real quick. Proxima Centauri, Wolf, all the red dwarfs and the grinding. So I'm basically gonna cut this. Oh! After I'll just ate Proxima Centauri. Yeah, we're gonna put these things far. So, Banner Star. I know that's small. Yeah, that's small. Okay. Wolf is also pretty small. We're not gonna collide them all. Sirius? It's pretty large. Sirius Beast was small. Let's see Proicon. I think Proicon is massive. Not much. Van Star? Nah, not that big. So this is gonna take a while, I guess. Nah, we won't cut this part of the video ever. So our chart. I know when the names are like covered or they're super large. I know they're large. So Polaris. I might know we're gonna Universe Sandbox. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We're gonna keep. They're not touching each other anyway. And yeah, this is a watchtower. Ta. New one. Yeah, not that much. Papaya, even sun is included, so yeah. Raijo, not new. This is Raijo. Raijo and Mirage are kind of similar. Meh, that's actually cool. Beetlejuice, that's the entire mini system going on. That's Beetlejuice. Or better. Right there. Cashew Gems Bar. So we're gonna do all of them. So this might take a long time. I'm gonna cut like half of this part. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna cut half of this part. So okay, we're gonna replace Arcturus right here. We're gonna replace Arcturus. Replace it. Arcturus is quite large. And our 10 is large. Vega is large. I know. Vega. Oh my god. That. Yep. Oh, B. I don't know what it is with the formats. Format A. Alpha Centauri A. Size of the sun. Low larger than the sun. Alpha Centauri B. Smaller. Pollux. Large. Oh my god. Yeah, it's only 200. So we got all these stars for. Wow, that's. Okay, we're just gonna cut starting now. Okay, I'm finished placing all the stars. Or not. Because I got one more star. You think like 7 and 2 is the largest star, right? You're finished. Let me guess. you forgot 0147 star. That's a big no. We're not gonna do random no stuff anyways. That's just made by Universe Sandbox. That's that. My objects, quasi star. It's real. Since I didn't have a Universe Sandbox, I was like, I'm gonna do it myself. And it says it's quite large actually. Yeah, like that. I see in size comparison is a black hole star, it's 1,000 times mass of the sun. Radius. This was pretty much your size comparison. Cause just ignore ultra quasi star and omega. Those are and larger. So ignore that. That's a thing for another video, okay? So yeah. So we're gonna be like going to the Mario mode. That might crash, but I'll do it later. So now you go to chart, everything's gonna load. This is mass. So quasi stars, yeah. I'll try it. Random, mass, density, we're gonna do it 1D radius. Here's the radius. So a sun is quite small. Yeah, this is that regardless. It's 3 times the radius of a sun. So PCR and crab pulsar is the smallest we have. It's stenciled on our sun though. Then you have Sirius B. Those Proxima Centauri's there, and Aerocoaster. And if you want to see our sun, okay, our sun would be right here. Is this the sun? It says Polaris at B over there. It says Polaris at B over there, but it's actually the sun. So yeah, the sun will be here and so that's what will happen, I guess. Actually, I may not collide them, but this is our view right here. You can see quasi star is the tip of this. That's how large it is. Stars larger than the stars. This is radius. A quasi star, it beats in mass too. Beats in mass. So, enough talk. Let's go to the next thing. Guys, I say you didn't left me any comments. So no comments, no suggestions. No suggestions, no things that I can do. Like, you don't have an account. I'm pretty sorry. You could try to ask your parents for one or something. So yeah, if they don't know how to do one, maybe they could get a worker or something. I just want you to subscribe, but if you want to. I'm not telling you to subscribe. I want you, but if you want to. Yes or no? No dislikes. That's what I want. No dislikes. So this channel only has 70 subscribers. So do you remember the bombarded guy had with materials? Something is wrong with it. We're gonna fix it, okay? Because, okay. So the bombarded guy had with materials is exciting simulation, right there. And if you look up there, you can see all the simulations. Well, you can look at my sims. I'm right now looking at you. This is hard. And you can see a bombarded guy here with materials. And we're looking at Universe Sandbox. And we're gonna pause. Look at the guy head's mass. And these particles are, yeah, rats. But the guy head's mass is 524 kilograms. We're gonna put that to the moon's mass. We're gonna walk radius and turn up moon. What is that? Jupiter? Kidding me? Sun? Are you kidding me? Galaxy? Mass of 3 point. That always happens. Can I just shrink it down to the moon's mass, please? Is that that? Yes. It's right on the moon's mass. And set the velocity to 0 meters. And then go here. Section. Yes, we want to replace it. So it should be right. Yes, Bombardica. So this is the actual one. I realized we didn't fix it. So yeah. So binary sulfur dioxide asteroid. How? Okay, that's weird, but at least it's the mass of the moon. Okay, guy head gets hot, guy head cools down. We got it. Bombarded guy head continues. We fixed it. At least it's the mass of the moon. I count that. Now you're like, we don't always want to do something to Earth, like you want. Terraform Mars. Give Earth wings or something. Well, let's just do both of them. I like terraform Mars. Okay? But I want to do it with you guys. Come on. Let's go terraform Mars. You probably be like, maybe like this. Oh God. Because you're waiting for the wings, or you're like this. I know this. We're gonna try to do something that's good for you. I don't know, but let's just terraform Mars, and some of you may be like, oh yeah, let's see. But oh my God, the terraforming update is so hard, dude. Every YouTuber knows that, even me. Even a 17 subscriber YouTuber knows that. The updates, dude, the terraforming updates. But of course I'll try. I terraformed Mars before. I'll show you. But I'm gonna terraform with you guys. So terraforming Mars is super easy. Like, I used to struggle with this, but you just put, if you're playing Universe Sandbox, you just put this. Melt all, 15 Celsius. Go to visuals, okay, on Mars. And we can see vegetation. The eyes mean you can see it. And you turn it on, you can see the vegetation. You can see Mars has no vegetation because there's no water. And plants need water to grow. So yeah. So that's the clear way. So first, I know all the vegetation, okay? Can we put city lights? No way. Yep. No city lights, yeah. But okay, so now we're gonna go to composition. Like, right. First we're gonna right. Guys, we got a good start. Okay. Ionospheres is the best way to measure this. 0.8 Earth. That's 10 times that. And there used to be a settle all bottom. Okay, right now looking at you guys. There used to be a settle all bottom. I'm gonna look at Universe Sandbox. So you're like, what's the grass? Whoa. We haven't put it. We haven't done anything yet. And you gotta put this for some nice 15 Celsius. And go to visuals. Put on vegetation. Maybe we could let it, stay for a while or something. we need more water. Composition. Alright, chance of y 0.1. It's meanwhile it's going up. I'm gonna add some more water. This is I don't want Mars to make it desert. Okay, we're gonna probably do this. Yeah, this is enough. This gotta be enough. I just kind of want to remove the giant weird ocean liner. Yeah, that one. Maybe I just make it. Oh yes, we can make it less deeper. Did we? Yes, we fill up the canyons with water. That's so cool, dude. And what are the chances for what now? 0.9? Guys, we're getting there. We're getting there. So, to do this, remove this in time, and we're gonna let water form it. So we're gonna go. You know the shovel? That shovel, like I think it's like up there. That's planetscaping. Okay. I'm gonna add some liquid. Actually, no. We're gonna remove. Then remove water. That's bad. Elevation. Radius, that's range change. Okay, some here, some here. Let the water flow. Gonna let some of the water flow. And this is not adding. This is minusing. So water should just double this. Please, water. Let me pause. Yes, the ocean has been moved. Do we have sea vegetation? We do. Maybe there's a glitch. No. Do we have city lights? No. Is Mars terraformed? No. I'm so dumb. The magnetic field. Magnetosphere size, we need strength. So, milligrams. Gauss. So Gauss, Earth is like 11 grams. 1 Gauss, no. Let's play the best for small things is 0.15 Gauss. Like this or something. That should give some. Okay, we gotta let it cook a little bit. Come on. We gotta let it cook. Gotta let it cook. Yes. More life is good. Like, now we're gonna. So what we up here is. We're gonna set it out to 1 year. And now. We auto orbit. So, like, that didn't change anything. Mars have moved to not Earth's orbit? Orbit up here 1.13 years. Mars is kind of sneaky, dude. I want another 13 years, dude. 1 year. That's clearly Earth's orbit. It's in the habitable zone. Very. You're like, Earth is in the cold region. How understanding? Yes. Mars is still a little further than Earth, but we gotta let it cook a little bit, you know. Like, are you gonna turn off the magnetic field? It's kind of annoying. Of course I will. Like, what? So this, and like, what's the magnetic field for? It protects from the solar radiation. Quick fact. Atmosphere, Earth, replace merge. Atmosphere, Earth. We gotta. Oh my god. We didn't go high wide. I didn't change the atmosphere. Oh my god. So, material composition. So, first we got material composition. Okay. Layers. First we got the atmosphere, which. We gotta put not mass of Earth. Atmosphere lens. okay? And atmosphere mass. So, oxygen, 0.3. Nitrogen, 0.7. Trust me, this is good for life. And you're like, what happened? Plants. We just needed the atmosphere to change. No way the life is higher now. No way, dude. That was shit. Is this more telephone than my last Mars? No way, dude. My last Mars is paused, so. No way this is more telephone than my last Mars. This can't be good. This actually can't be. So the chance of white is 78.9. So here, all my habitable planets have Jupiter, habitable. But I don't want to do a review in another video. Today we're Mars, habitable Pluto. Yeah, that's weird. So, guy ahead. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna Universe Sandbox. Let's see which one I got choose. All right. Okay. So here's my habitable Mars with the nice reddish atmosphere. This Mars is larger, but which one is more habitable? Well, let's take out the magnetic field. This is, look, show, I think it's right here, but it says show magnetosphere, like you can see it. We're gonna turn that off. We didn't turn this magnetic field off, see? It's still the same line. Both of them have the reddish atmosphere. This one, oh, my Mars stands for 47.3. This one is higher. New Mars! New Mars. We're just gonna name it habitable Mars. Don't laugh at me, but it's been habitable. Why not type in classic capital? Replace. Take the L out of Mars. You're no match. And it says Mars, but you got these dots. I think it says that. So you know how to say things in Universe Sandbox? They did in the last video, but you click these 3 dots and click save. And it says save objects, and you can say cancel or say I'll class cancel because I always say this. So you can see it has not much vegetation, but pretty habitable. So this is cool. I need to go to the toilet, but we're gonna keep going, alright? Because I want you guys. We're gonna do one last thing, and that is remove the sun from our solar system. See what happens. So we're gonna spend like 2 minutes on that, or 3. Just removing the sun. What could possibly go on? I don't know. So it's right now Tuesday. I'm sorry I can't record in the weekends. Like after a lot of videos, I need a quick rest or something. Oh no, my camera died. My camera died. Oh my god, no, my camera died. Guys, I'm sorry my camera died for this last one. My camera died. I'm super sorry, but my camera died. We're gonna still do this. Wait this up. Now, my camera died, so I feel bad now. Whatever, I'm gonna still record. I don't know, maybe it didn't. Are you gonna look? Let's see what happens. Oh no. Yep, there's no gravity to put him. Earth is gonna be in a quick ice age. It's already in the asteroid belt. Yo! Earth in the ice age. So yeah, of course Earth goes in an ice age. So this is the finish of the video because my last one's 30 minutes, and it's kind of like my like, I mean, they don't let me do 30. I don't feel comfortable doing 30 minutes. And also I don't know if my camera died or not. I think it did. I don't think I'm comfortable with that. So the video is finished. Goodbye. I can't do a wave, okay? Bye. I'm serious.